Top 5 investment strategies crushing it in 2024. Did you know the average person barely scrapes by with their investments, earning a measly 2% return? That's like trying to climb Mount Everest in flip-flops. I'm Robson Teshu, and for years I've been obsessed with finding investment strategies that actually make a difference. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 investment strategies absolutely dominating in 2024. We're talking about the approaches the wealthy use to build generational wealth, and the best part is, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. Whether you're just starting with a few $100 or you're already sitting on a pile of cash, these strategies are your roadmap to financial freedom. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive right in. Understanding market trends. Don't be a sheep, be a shepherd. Look, if you're serious about making your money work for you, you've got to stop blindly following the herd. Most people just throw their money into whatever's popular, like chasing after the latest meme stock. That's a recipe for disaster. Instead, we're going to be shepherds of our own financial futures. That starts with understanding market trends. Think of it like this. Market trends are like ocean currents. If you try to swim against them, you're going to tire yourself out and get nowhere. But if you learn to ride those currents, you can effortlessly glide towards your goals. So how do we identify these money-making currents? First off, pay attention to the news, but don't just watch the headlines. Dig deeper. Look for the underlying trends shaping the economy. Are interest rates rising? Is inflation cooling off? These factors might seem boring, but they have a huge impact on where the market's headed. Next, keep an eye on industry reports and expert analysis. Websites like Bloomberg, The Wall Street Journal, and even niche publications in your areas of interest can be gold mines of information. They'll give you insights into which sectors are booming and which ones are lagging behind. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Robson, this sounds like a lot of work. And yeah, it takes a little effort. But remember, we're playing the long game here. The time you invest in understanding market trends will pay off exponentially in the long run. Think about it. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to spot opportunities that others miss. That's how you turn a small investment into a massive fortune. By understanding the entire ecosystem, you can identify multiple investment opportunities within a single trend. That's how you diversify your portfolio and maximize your chances of success. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to investing. Top investment strategies crushing it in 2024. Your blueprint to building wealth. All right, now that we understand the flow of the market, let's talk about the specific strategies that will have you swimming in cash. These aren't your grandpa's buy and hold strategies. These are the tactics the pros use to generate serious wealth. First up, diversification. You've probably heard this a million times, and for good reason. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Just like you wouldn't bet your entire life savings on a single hand of poker, you don't want to bet your financial future on just one stock or asset class. Spread your investments across different sectors, asset classes, and even geographical regions. This way, if one investment takes a hit, you've got others to cushion the blow. It's like having a financial safety net. Next, long-term investing. Forget about trying to time the market or get rich-quick schemes. Those rarely work. Real wealth is built over time through consistent investing and letting compound interest work its magic. Think of it like planting a tree. It takes time to grow, but with patience and nurturing, it'll eventually bear fruit. Now let's talk about emerging markets. These are like the Wild West of investing, a little risky, but with the potential for massive rewards. We're talking about rapidly growing economies like India, Brazil, and parts of Southeast Asia. These markets offer huge growth potential as they industrialize and their middle classes expand. Investing in these markets can be like catching a rocket ship on its way up. But remember, higher potential rewards usually come with higher risks. So do your research and invest wisely. And hey, don't think we've forgotten about real estate. Despite what some might say, real estate is far from dead. In fact, it's still one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available. Think like a business owner, because that's what you are when you invest in real estate. All right, let's get real for a second. We've all made mistakes with our money. Heck, I've made more than my fair share. But the key is to learn from those mistakes so we don't keep repeating them. One of the biggest blunders I see people making is letting their emotions dictate their investment decisions. They get scared when the market dips and sell everything at a loss, or they get greedy when things are going well and end up buying at the top of the market. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't panic sell when things get rough, and don't get caught up in the hype when everyone else is buying. Stick to your plan, stay disciplined, and you'll come out ahead in the long run. Another common mistake is neglecting to do your research. Look, I get it, researching investments can seem about as exciting as watching paint dry. But it's crucial if you want to make informed decisions. Don't just blindly follow the crowd or listen to that guru promising you guaranteed returns. Take the time to understand what you're investing in, analyze the financials, and assess the potential risks and rewards. And speaking of risks, never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is especially important when it comes to high-risk investments like individual stocks or cryptocurrencies. Only invest money that you're comfortable losing and always have a plan B. Another mistake I often see is people being too impatient. They expect to get rich quick and jump from one investment to another, chasing the next big thing. But real wealth takes time to build. All right, let's address the elephant in the room, cryptocurrency. It's been the Wild West of investing for the past few years, with massive gains and gut-wrenching crashes. So, where does it stand in 2024? Well, the landscape has definitely changed. The days of throwing money at any coin with a dog meme and expecting to get rich overnight are long gone. The market has matured and investors are becoming more discerning, but that doesn't mean crypto is dead, not by a long shot. In fact, I believe we're entering a new phase of crypto adoption. We're seeing more institutional investors entering the space, governments exploring central bank digital currencies, and blockchain technology being integrated into various industries. So, how do you navigate this evolving landscape? First off, education is key. Don't just blindly follow the hype. Take the time to understand the technology behind cryptocurrencies, the different types of coins and tokens, and the risks involved. Second, focus on the fundamentals. Look for projects with strong teams, real-world use cases, and active communities. These are the coins that have the potential to weather market volatility and emerge stronger in the long run. Third, diversify your crypto holdings. Just like with any other investment, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to mitigate risk. All right, let's get real for a second. Building wealth isn't just about picking the right investments, it's about having your financial house in order. It's about making smart choices with your money every single day. So let's dive into some personal finance hacks that can help you unlock your full financial potential. First up, track your spending. You can't manage what you don't track. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers each month. Now, let's talk about debt. Create a plan to pay down high-interest debt quickly. Negotiate your bills. You'd be surprised how often you can lower them just by asking. Invest in your education and skills. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Live below your means. Be mindful of your spending and make conscious choices. Build multiple streams of income. Don't rely on just one source. There you have it. The top 5 investment strategies that are absolutely crushing it in 2024. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about making informed decisions, staying disciplined, and taking control of your financial future. Don't wait for someone else to hand you your dream life. Go out there and create it. Start investing today, even if it's just a small amount. Every dollar you invest is a step towards achieving your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and leave a comment below letting me know which investment strategy you're most excited to try. And hey, while you're at it, check out this video right here, where I break down even more powerful investment tips that can help you build the life you've always wanted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.